We're going to pour the hot boiling water over it. For this step, you need to be careful. Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somchit. Today I'm going to cook a quick lunch, stir-fried laser clams with basil leaf. I have 1 kilo of frozen laser clams, about 1.5 cup of basil leaf, 5 cloves of garlic, 5 pieces of red bird eye chili, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of fermented bean paste or tauchu, and this is how it looks like in the bottle. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. I like to start off with pounding the chili and the garlic. Put in the garlic. I put in 5 pieces of bird eye chili. This chili is not that very spicy, just put it 5. Pounding these 2 ingredients, I just lightly crush them. So I'm going to put it aside. For the laser clams, it's frozen, and before cooking we need to thaw it first. Put in the basil. Some is not yet thawed properly. This is quite fresh. For the laser clams, right, if you buy it frozen, once you thaw it, you need to cook it immediately. Before cooking, I need to give it a rinse first. And meanwhile, we're going to prepare hot boiling water. To wash the laser clams, you need to be careful because they have quite sharp shells, so it might cut your finger. So we need to just give it a rinse. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a rinse a couple of times, and then we can go and cook it. These are the laser clams that I have cleaned it properly, and now we're going to blanch it. I prepare the hot boiling water here. For this step, you need to be careful. We're going to pour the hot boiling water over it. When we pour the hot boiling water over it, right, it will open up. The laser clam will open up like this. Then after that, we can remove it from the shell like that, and we can take it and put in the plate. So I'm going to go ahead and remove it like this from the shell, all of it. Then we can go and cook it. These are the laser clams that we have removed it from the shell, and I'm going to give it one last rinse because there are some small pieces of the broken shells stuck inside here. So heat the pan, put in about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. When oil is hot, we're going to put in the chili and the garlic that we pound just now. This needs to be careful, yeah, because stir fry the spicy chili might cause sneezing or coughing. It's going to stir fry this for the chili and the garlic to release a nice aroma. Put in all the oyster sauce, tauchu. For the tauchu, I'm going to put just half tablespoon first because it might be too salty. Fish sauce, I'm just going to put just 1 teaspoon first, and sugar. Mix all these ingredients together. Stir fry for about 1 minute until all ingredients well combined. Now we're going to put in the laser clams that it's with the shell. I leave a few with the shell for the purpose of taking picture later on. Okay. Now I'm going to put in the laser clams. Give it a stir. Because the laser clams is already cooked when we blanch it, so we don't want to cook it too long, or else it's going to be overcooked. Now I'm going to put in the basil leaf. Give it a stir. That's ready. Stir fry laser clams with basil leaf. I'm going to switch off the heat and now we can taste it. Wow, delicious. It's enough taste, enough flavor. For the rest of the other ingredients, I will not be putting it in already, but if you want to add on more seasoning, you can do so at this stage. But for this one, it's already very delicious and perfect. This is best served immediately once it's cooked, so I'm going to dish out and serve. Delicious. The laser clams is fresh and you can feel the freshness of the seafood. It's chewy and it's a lot of fun eating it, and it's very tasty. A bit of sweet, a bit of salty, and the spiciness come after that, and it blends so well together with basil leaf. Eat together with the rice. It's so perfect. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my simple home cooked food like this. Thank you and bye bye.